Hey, Mommy. This is everybody playing with their new teddies. Maxie, where's the giraffe? Where's the giraffe? Maxie, where's the giraffe? Maxie, there's the giraffe. Get him, Maxie, get him. Good girl. Maxie, where's the giraffe? Where's the giraffe? Get him. Get him, get him, get him. Where did he go? Maxie, where did he go? Bite his head off. Yay! Good girl, Maxie. Did you get him? Maxie, where's the giraffe? Where's the giraffe? Where's giraffe? Maxie, you're gonna be all shy. Maxie, where's the giraffe? Get him! You get him, Maxie. Oh, you bring him to me, honey bun. Here we go. Where is he? Come get him. Come get him. You got him? Give him a good shake. As you can see, Nora's killing hers. Nora, where's the elephant? Where's the elephant? Where's the elephant? Come on. Nora, where's the elephant? Ta-ta. Ta-ta. Good girl. Ta-ta. Nora, catch. Yay, good girl. And Maxie's still trying to get me to play.